A recent UCM Black Box production transported audience members back to the Broadway heyday of George Gershwin and Cole Porter. The Gap Project was a showcase of Kip Niven's work with Central Missouri's Department of Theater and Dance students. Niven, a veteran actor-director with an impressive list of Broadway, feature film, TV, and stage credits, came to UCM as a guest artist to teach a masterclass in musical theater technique.
I have for years been teaching a workshop masterclass of musical theater audition techniques based on my studies when I was in Los Angeles with a man named David Craig, who was, to my mind, a genius, and it was a revelatory experience because it really changed the whole way that I approached my work.
Niven worked with students in a classroom format and later in one-on-one audition-style sessions.
One of the peculiarities about musical theater is that the wants and needs are the same as in straight plays, but suddenly you are now singing instead of speaking, and you have to do it on pitch and often with sustained notes and often while you're dancing. So you need to stay anchored into the truth that would have been the truth had this not been put to music.
I got the chance to work with him, and it was pretty phenomenal, and I definitely learned about acting through song, which is incredibly important.
We were totally workshopping together and building off of all of these ideas that were coming to him, and they're just so professional, and we dive so much into the acting of it all, and I love that. He's a great mentor to have.
Arnold was one of 12 UCM students who earned an opportunity to perform in Niven's own cabaret show, The Gap Project. The students who initially met with Niven in November and December reconvened in early 2018 for a series of 3 performances in UCM's Black Box Theater. Along with musical director Brant Shalicombe from the Pembroke Hill School in Kansas City, the UCM students performed iconic standards from the Great American Songbook of Gershwin and Porter.
But who's here when I'm close to you, dear? Let's do it. Let's fall in love.
Workshops like this are so valuable. While you're here, take advantage of all of the things that they give you just for being a student.